In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to turn on the auto-rotate screen of your iPhone. For example, the Safari page rotates in landscape and portrait mode. To enable this, open the Control Center from the top right corner. Tap on the rotate icon to turn off the auto-rotate iPhone screen. If it's not showing here, add it first. Tap the plus button at the top left corner or touch and hold on the blank space of the Control Center. Tap on the Add Control option, search for Orientation Lock, and tap to add it to the Control Center. We can change location and size like this. To disable the auto-rotate screen, tap on it again and turn off the auto-rotate iPhone screen. As you can see, I am unable to rotate the Safari webpage. That means auto-rotate is locked. If still not working, then try to restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, then swiftly press and release the volume down button. At last, press and hold the power button only until you see the Apple logo after black screen. That's all about rotating the iPhone screen. If it still doesn't work, reset the Control Center or reset all settings. Refer to the separate video given in the video description and pinned comment.